Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Ken, and today I want to show you how to make your very own homemade charcuterie board. Whether you're planning a party, a get-together, it's the holidays, or it's just you and your special someone, you know what I'm talking about. I will show you very simply, easily how to make it using your own ingredients, whatever you want, whatever fruits and veggies you want, whatever cold cuts, cheeses, anything you want goes basically on a charcuterie board. And most importantly, I am gonna save you a shitload of money. Believe me when I tell you, you know what? The cost of some of these boards to go out and have them ordered is a small fortune. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it at a fraction of the cost, and it's still gonna look amazing. People are gonna be wondering like, oh my God, like, who is this person? So, to start us off, I'm just using whatever I like to eat, very simply. And with this thing, what you're gonna have to realize is it's all about balance. I'm certainly no food stylist. I'm an eater, not a stylist. So for this, you gotta figure out what you like. So first things first, we're gonna start building our board. I'm not gonna lie to you. No charcuterie board is complete without feta cheese. If it doesn't have feta, I'm not interested. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna just place your feta kind of lying around, well not lying around, but on an angle so everybody knows and sees what it is, very simply. The next thing is I'm gonna take some of this Boursin cheese. It's one of my favorite cheeses. It's what I like to eat. So you know what? My channel, my board, whatever. So what you're gonna do is just very simply, you're gonna take this, remove it off its packaging, place it down across the other side. So now you have a balance of the whites. Move this over here. I have some halloumi cheese that I just brought back for me from Greece. It's actually a Cypriot cheese, but it is so delicious, it is so amazing. And with this, remember, you want variety. You don't want a bunch of stuff that, you know, oh my God, there's only like 2 things on it and I don't like both of them. So we're gonna put our halloumi cheese here. So now we have a little bit of a triangle happening here of the whites. Next thing, I'm gonna take some pickles and I'm just gonna place them on my board. And this isn't about perfection. This isn't about getting everything bang on, spot on. Anything really goes with this. And you're gonna make a board that will actually cater and please to many people, not just a couple. And that's the name of the game. So our pickles are there. And for interest, you just wanna fold it over into nice little kind of half moon shapes because it's round. And place it in the same direction, just like that. Nothing complicated. Let me just slide this one underneath. Perfect. Put this one like that. Next, again, no board is complete without Kalamata olives, and I'm huge on olives, absolutely huge. And just let your olives fall wherever. You're not kind of, you know, we don't have any OCD here. It doesn't matter which way they go. It's all fine. Artichoke hearts. Love, love, love artichoke hearts. Again, same deal. I'm gonna place my artichoke hearts all around my board. Don't worry if you get any oil around or whatever it is. Not a big deal at all. Again, it's all about balancing and harmony and making something look really amazing and colorful. Perfect, just like that. A little bit of sun-dried tomatoes. This is amazing. This is one of my favorite things to eat. And, you know, get-togethers don't have to be about chips. You can have things like this, serve things like this, and still kind of have a casual, laid-back kind of atmosphere. So just put it around, just like that. Perfect. Again, if something falls on something else, not a big deal. Perfect, just like that. Another favorite olive of mine is the stuffed olives, the green olives. And again, same deal. You want to kind of balance out the colors. Wherever you see white or light colored cheeses, put a little green, put a little red. Add a little festive color to this. Perfect. Just like that. Plop this everywhere. People are going to nibble and grab at this anyway, so really, watch this. That almost got away from me. Just put a few here, a few there. Olives are always a hit, no matter what. Everybody loves olives. Now, more salami will go into this. Same deal. Let me just move this over a little bit. And what you're gonna do is just kind of let them kind of fold over as where they lay. Simply. This is so good. Next thing going in is a little pimento loaf. I love pimento loaf. Full of flavor. It's colorful. It's absolutely delicious. I mean, look at that. You got everything in there. Perfect, just like that. Place these just around. Look how gorgeous that looks. Absolutely fantastic. And again, same deal. Put it in the middle, put it wherever. It doesn't make a difference because it's basically your storyboard in the kitchen. So you can get as creative or as funky as you like. It really doesn't matter. Now, a little bit of pizzazz. I've got some orange and red cherry tomatoes. I'm just gonna throw them all around, just like that. I'm gonna take some grape, move this along the side here, and move some of my grapes over here, just like that. Like I said, see how this is coming together slowly? And now, look how many items I have on this thing. Move this over here. And lastly, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your crackers and you're gonna just kind of place them around the edges. Remember, whatever, anything goes. These are your rules. Place these over here. Last one over there. Put a few more under here. Just like that. Now, in what universe does this not look good? It is absolutely fantastic. And I made it all myself. Just let me get that out of here. In like a fraction of a time, in like nothing. It took me nothing to put this board together, and it looks absolutely scrumptious. Put some more red and orange there because you want to kind of balance out. Again, it's all about balance. Now, my friends, look at this board. It was nothing. This whole board, by the way, this whole board probably cost me less than $15 in terms of all the ingredients, the cheeses, the cold cuts, the fruits, the veggies, the grapes, and all that kind of stuff. I guarantee you, a board like this costs you close to $100, if not more, to go buy it ready-made at a store. And here, you are guaranteed A, freshness, B, variety. You pick and choose what you want. And C, and most importantly, you're gonna save yourself a ton of cash. So my friends, that's it for this episode, or pretty quick episode of how to make your own charcuterie board or how to make your own homemade cutting board kind of display. This now is ready to be served. If you're not serving it right away, I will tell you, just throw some saran wrap over this, some cling wrap, keep it fresh as you made it, and you are ready to go. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell. It'll tell you exactly what I'm up to, and every time I upload something, you'll be the first to know. And until next time, I thank you very much for your time in watching this. Bye for now.